Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix audio not available on Pinterest. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and to your settings app, and once you're inside the settings, scroll down and then tap on general. And once you tap on general, here tap on iPhone storage. And once you're inside your iPhone storage, what you need to do is scroll down and then locate Pinterest and then tap on it. And once you tap on it, here you'll be provided with two options. Now what you need to do is tap on offload app, and what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches in the app which might be causing the issues that you are facing. And once that process is complete, tap on delete app, and once that process is complete, all you gotta do is try again. Now if you still face the issue, then what you can do is head over to your app store and then tap on the search on the bottom right corner of the screen, and then tap on the search bar, then type in Pinterest and then search for it. And once the app loads, tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will probably fix the issue. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.